Why isn't this like a more popular thing? Man, that is so good. That's insane. Easter is coming up, and I know you don't want to take a break from your barbecue for Easter. I don't want to either. So we're going to make pulled ham. It is the barbecue equivalent of your Easter ham roast. Long had the Camp Chef halls echoed the tales of a delicious pulled ham that our old chef Jack, you remember Jack? Here's Jack, he's a good guy. He made this pulled ham and people have not stopped talking about it ever since he's made it. And so we're going to just cook this the exact same way that we do a pulled pork, but it's going to be pulled ham instead. And slather this bad boy all up. You're just going to use any barbecue seasoning that you want. We're going to use some All Right Guys, the smoky sweet rub from Bama Grill Master. Insanely good. Want to give it a good coating. I'm not going to put any underneath because that's going to be the side that's facing the smoke. So we're just going to let the smoke take care of that one. We could score it if we want to. So I'm just going to whoop. It's going to add a little bit more smoke penetration in there, but I think the main reason is it makes it look prettier. New nooks and crannies we kind of made. So I would cut it first and then season it. We're here, we're learning. We learn together. We have the smoker set right now, 250, smoke level 10. And then we're just gonna let it ride. We're gonna stick in a thermometer, and then when it gets about 165, we're gonna wrap it, and then we'll bring you back for that part. And that's it. We're freaking done. If you want something easy for Easter, that is gonna taste equally as delicious. This is it. We're at 160. We're just gonna take this off, wrap it in some butcher paper, put it back in until it hits about 202, 203, and we'll pull it back out. So that took about 6 hours and 35 minutes and 40 seconds to get to this point. So plan accordingly. Full transparency, it's the next day. I'm in different clothes. We got to about 195 degrees and then we had to go home. Mike lovingly cared for this pulled ham and watched it to get to 205. Then we rested it and then we just warmed it back up here in the pellet grill to about 170-ish, and then let it rest a little bit so that we could pull it again right now. Be careful not to fling the fat juices all over. But man, this smells. Can you smell that, Mike? Oh. Oh. Look at that. It is just falling apart in there. Look at that. I can't even get it out without it falling apart. It may be a little too much bark on the outside there. How can you argue with this? Beep. I mean, it's not the cleanest bone pull in the world, but, and now you see all this, then you just, oh. I think the play is wrapping it in tin foil instead of butcher paper, because we already had a pretty good bark on there when we put it in the butcher paper. All right, I am going to give this a try. Dude, freaking, oh my gosh, man, that is so good. That's insane. Easter dinner. Get a nice tong full of this, get some potatoes, get some green beans, you get your feeder potatoes, I don't know what you do. But this would be the perfect main dish for that. It couldn't be more simple. We took the ham, we took it out of the package, seasoned it up, threw it on there for what, 10 hours? Wrapped it, let it rest, boom, done. If you want to see another video, there's gonna be another video right here. I don't know what it is, but I know it's gonna be good, huh? I promise. And if you don't, you can leave a comment in that video saying you were wrong, but I won't be. Until next time, happy Easter, peace out.